We make, we create, we draw, and we paint, and we learn, and we play in the Steamlab Club every day.
Woo! Woo! We were dancing along to that rainbow song. We love it. Alrighty, friends, are you ready for part 2 of our Steamlab Club today? I know I'm ready. So we just saw popcorn dancing. What about ink?
What kind of ink?
Ink, Coach Jerry. Ink. What? Just like that. Ink everywhere. Alrighty, friends, let's go over all the materials we'll need. Okay, friends, we need a large white plate. We have 2.
And you want them to be glass plates, okay? That's the easiest way that it works. The best and easiest way it works.
Perfect. Up next, we need some dry erase markers.
Alrighty, so we have
Look at all those colors.
a whole bunch.
Perfect. We need some straws.
Nice.
And we need some water.
Alrighty.
Alrighty, friends, are you ready to watch some ink float and dance?
Nice.
I'm ready.
So, friends, we have tried many different ways to make this floating ink float and dance, and we have another surprise at the end that we'll show you after we can get our shapes to work a little bit, okay?
Alrighty, friends, let's get right to it.
All right, to get started, you'll take whatever color marker you want.
Use red.
And it takes a little practice sometimes, I would say. So if you just push down on the plate, remember they're dry erase markers, and connect it like that. Anything you want.
Okay.
You can do a star.
I'm gonna make a triangle.
Okay, I'm gonna try a star. And I'm actually gonna even color the star in. Okay?
Okay.
Do you remember how to make a star? I'll help you. How do we make a star? We make an A, like that. But remember, we give the A arms. Whoop. Now he has little arms. Then we connect this arm with this leg and this arm with the other leg. And we color it in.
That looks great.
Just like that. Okay, now, what do we do?
What is next?
And you can draw any shape that you want.
Yeah, I have a triangle, I have a square. I'm gonna make a heart really quick.
Okay, make one good heart.
Perfect.
Alrighty.
So now, friends, what we're gonna do is we are going to take our water and we're gonna slowly pour it onto our plate. Okay?
And you want to pour it not directly on your shapes that you drew. You want to pour it on the side of the shapes, okay? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And then we're going to show you something really neat once we get one to work.
Alrighty, friends, let's get right to it. So remember, on the side, drum roll. Here we go.
And you just pour the water on right next to your shapes.
Oh, there goes my heart.
Your heart
I see my heart's going.
Ooh, my star is starting to come off.
It's like Jell-O. It's jiggling like Jell-O.
Oh, my circle is breaking. Oh,
hey!
no.
Look!
Oh, wow.
There
now,
they go.
How do we make them dance?
You know what? We're going to take our straw and we're going to blow into our straw, and then we're going to see our ink dance.
I still have some stuck there.
Are you ready? Look at them go.
Wow, it's like the stars in the moon.
Blow, blow, blow.
We're in outer space. Ooh.
Hey, my shapes are touching.
Whoa! All right, friends. Now, are you ready for something really cool? If you
Yes,
got
for a
that to
ton.
work. I'm gonna dump this one out. Okay. Whoa. Whoa.
Be careful,
Whoa!
Coach Jerry.
Whoa!
Don't dump it on my shoes.
Whoa!
Hey.
Okay. Whew. All righty, I'm gonna dump this one out.
Alrighty, friends. Coach Jerry's dumping it out.
And I'm gonna take a paper towel and dry this off again.
I'm gonna watch my shapes dance.
And now, all right, is everybody following along here? And you can start to learn how good these things work.
How are we doing, water set? Angelica, Caleb.
All right, keep your eyes peeled, okay? So I'm gonna take the purple again,
All right.
and I'm gonna try to make a heart, okay? The heart looks pretty fun.
I'm gonna keep dancing over here.
Okay, boop, just like that. All right, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. Then I'm gonna pour my water and hope it works. I better make a few just in case one of them doesn't work.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So if you make a few, in case one doesn't work. Little baby ones, medium-sized ones.
Those are good hearts.
Yep. Well, you know, you learn to draw good hearts if you have a good heart.
Oh, and all my friends have good hearts.
So
They
their
sure
hearts
do.
are definitely, your hearts are definitely going to be amazing
So
hearts.
good.
Oh, all right. Here we go. So what we do is we pour it again. We pour some water, and hopefully we can get one of these
Oh, there it goes.
ones coming up. Oh, the big mama. Oh no, it broke.
That's okay. Look at the other ones.
Oh yeah, that one's coming. There we go. Okay.
There we go.
Now we have one of them up. Watch what I do, okay?
Let's see. Let's see.
I'm just gonna take my hand or my wrist or anything, and I'm just gonna touch the water just like this, where the heart is that came up, okay? Right here. Watch this heart. This one right here. Okay? I'm just gonna take that and dip my wrist in it a little bit. And let's turn my wrist over.
Let's see.
And now I have a tattoo
That is so cool.
of a heart.
Yeah! I love it. I wonder if I should try it with one of mine.
Yeah, let me
Gotta
get
clean-
that off
yeah,
of the
clean that
screen
off.
first. Whew,
All right, let's see. I'm gonna try mine.
Oh yeah, try a triangle. So what you want to do is get it perfectly on there. Yep, she's doing it.
All right, let's see. Make sure it's
Yep.
on there.
Yep, it is. Yep, I'm looking at it. It looks pretty good. Go ahead.
All right, let's see.
Oh,
Oh no, that's okay.
It's kind of tricky because
It's
you
a
don't
little tricky.
you don't want to push down all the way into the plate. Like, see this one? It's a number 3. So what I do, we'll
Move it.
just break that little piece off real quick. You don't want to go all the way down. You just want to touch it. That's it.
Oh,
Because when you just
okay.
touch it, it picks it up.
Let's try it. Let's try
Okay.
my heart.
Well, that's a
wonder if
big
it-
heart. Yeah, give
Try.
it a shot that way. It's got to be flat though. Okay,
right.
ready? Touch it. Now turn it over.
Yeah! I have a heart tattoo.
Sweet! Wow.
That is so cool. Oh, I love it.
Well, this one's not a heart, so I'm gonna take that one off of there. This one is Neato Bandito.
Heart power. Woohoo!
Now, friends, remember, with all of this stuff, how cool it is that you can, when you're in class, or Caleb, or Pablo, or Angelica, you can try as many as you want.
Different shapes.
And you can touch whatever, to get the tattoo that you
Yeah.
want. And you can even combine colors.
Oh, Angelica!
Angelica!
See, sweetie?
Look! That's a star! That is a perfect star!
Coach Jerry, she has a star. Oh, that looks so good, Angelica.
Holy moly, I had to take my glasses down to see that one, Angelica.
I love
Wow.
it, sweetie. Did you have fun?
Wow, that is cool.
So cool, Angelica. Friends, give Angelica a round of applause. Woohoo!
Ah, confetti, I love it.
Oh, friends,
right,
you all
friends.
did so wonderful.
And if anyone else wants to show, you can, okay? We're just gonna be making this ink
I'm gonna make it dance.
dance around a little bit, okay?
Maybe we can put some music on and dance to the music.
Mm-hmm. Alrighty, friends. Well, you know what time it is now. Oh no.
Did you forget again?
I don't. Does anybody know what time it is?
Can someone remind Coach Jerry what time it is?
Can Caleb tell us what time it is?
Angelica,
I
KRK
always
water
forget.
set.
I always forget.
There goes
Oh,
Angelica.
Angelica knows.
It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. It is time to say goodbye. Give a smile and wink your eye. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. Bye, friends! Bye, KRK. Bye, Angelica.
Hope
Bye,
you had
Caleb.
fun.
Bye, friends.
We make, we create, we draw, and we paint, and we learn.